this week's episode of the Author Collaborative. As always, I'll be talking to an author whose book I have recently read and enjoyed. And my guest for today is really special. She is someone who is very inspiring and she has served for the Indian Army. And I'm really excited to have her as a guest on the show. So please stay connected. It will take me a few seconds to add her to the live and start the episode. Hi, Ankita. Okay, my guest is here. I'm just going to send her an invitation. Hi, Kitabi Adda. Thank you for joining. Ankita, can you let me know in the comments if you received my invitation to join the live? If not, I will just invite you again. Yeah, I didn't. I think the invitation didn't go through. I've sent you a fresh invitation, Ankita. See if you received that.
Yeah, I think I'm seeing. Yeah. Yeah,
How are
hi.
you? How are you?
I am so sorry. I've been like working against timelines actually. So that is why it's all chaos. I actually got a flight preponed from yesterday, from tomorrow to today actually.
Okay.
That is why. Otherwise,
Oh,
I was
okay.
flying tomorrow morning actually.
Okay.
So I
No
quickly
worries.
came in but we have time, 1.5 hours. We
Okay,
have time.
lovely. Lovely. Very happy to know that and to have you as a
Uh,
guest on the show. So, firstly, welcome. Welcome to the show. And I was just mentioning how inspiring it was me for me to read your story.
And I have to congratulate on your book, yaar. Too good, yaar. I mean, too good. I had never come something across like this. And poetry doesn't incite me or excite me so much. As an Indian writers, I have seen it's a very love wala poem, dukh wala poem, and that rona dhona and all that. You've been so candid about your expressions and to the
Thank you.
and to the things. I would say as we used to play a game, name, place, animal thing when we were young, it was like going through that game. Altogether in my head, I was like going through that game only. You're, you made everything come to life.
Thank you.
Something
Thank you
really
so
good.
much.
Too good,
Thank you.
yeah.
I'm very happy to hear your feedback on and your thoughts on my book. But this is not just about me, it's also about your book, No Woman's Land, and your journey as an army veteran. So, just the honesty with which you have written the book, I had a few questions in mind. Firstly, I want to read out from the book for everyone. And I want to read out one part that I particularly enjoyed reading because of the humor element in it. That is something that I observed all through the book also, and that's something I want to talk to you about. But firstly, I want to mention that the book is not just inspiring and honest. It also has an element of sarcasm and humor in it, which is like self-deprecating humor, which I
Yeah,
really
yeah.
enjoyed. And to incorporate that into a book which talks about something so serious, serving for the Indian Army and serving in the armed forces, you have managed to put humor into that. That is something really commendable. So absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Manali. Thank you so much.
And I'm going to read out one particular, actually two parts which made me laugh a lot. But I think I'm going to pick the one that made me laugh more than the other one, which is a confusion which was created because of a term called housewife. And I was laughing so hard. I'm just going to read out that particular section. Give me a second. I'll hunt down that part.
Yeah.
Till that time, I'm just going to say hi to everyone who has joined us. Sagar is there. We have Suchita. We have Sukana. Thank you everyone for joining. We have Sarita. Thank you everyone for joining. Okay. So I don't remember the chapter this is from, but this goes something like this. The section is titled. So the section inside the chapter is itself titled "The Housewife," and it goes. One day, as we all ran with our satchel bags across our shoulders to reach the training area, I noticed that the right hand sleeve button of my combat shirt was dangling dangerously. There was no time to go back to change, so I prayed for two things. One, that it doesn't come off, and second, the instructor didn't notice it. And very soon, I learned that both my prayers remained unanswered. Cadets, tell me what you should always keep with you. Our instructor asked in a joint classroom that comprised both gentlemen cadets and lady cadets in the OTA. For those who don't know, OTA is the Officers Training Academy. Sir, a comb, answered a GC. Again, GC is the gentleman cadet. I,
Gentleman cadet, yeah.
I know, gentlemen, you would love to keep a comb. That's why we ensure your crew cut so that you won't need one throughout your training period. The handkerchief answered an LC. An LC is a lady cat. That's right, but what else? When all sat quiet, the instructor said, always keep a housewife with you. It will save you from many a disaster and punishments. Hearing the word housewife, we all tried our best to suppress our giggles. Elsie, Ankita, get up. Now go running to the quartermaster stores and get one housewife issued for yourself and bring it here. All the cadets stared at me and I stared at the instructor. Run, he barked. I started running and thinking as to why am I asked to get her? Shouldn't it be a GC who should be getting a housewife? Why should I get an LC? Why should I, an LC, get a housewife? And does the instructor expect me to carry a housewife on my shoulders from the QM floor to the classroom? Panting, I reached the QM stores and asked the QM officer to issue me a housewife. He handed me a tiny plastic box that had needles, threads, buttons, and hooks.
Hosef. Actually, it is pronounced Hosef. Hosef. If you see it in the English, it is pronounced as Hosef. But then in India, we generally
Yeah,
translate
we
every.
mispronounce the
We
words. We desi
mispronounce
version aa
most of
jata
the. So it was
hai.
like housewife, and for the first time I came across that word. Actually, I was not aware. So it was very funny. Actually, so I had so many funny punishments in my life.
And there's one more that I want to read. It's a smaller, just a one paragraph, but again, another word that got everyone confused. I'm just going to search for it. Yes. Uh, okay. So this is just a paragraph. To give everyone the context, I'm going to read the above paragraph also. And when not kicked, it would try to take a U-turn to crawl up its abode, that is the head, but it would further fall down our anatomy. Niti's brain refused to identify a new word called patrolling when taught in the theory class. When she was asked about it the next day, she simply answered, "Is the art of filling petrol carefully without spilling." No guesses, her physical self was immediately sent to take punishment for the chaos her mental self did with her.
It was indeed very funny, and I mean, when I look back now, I find it very funny.
Yes,
At that time, it was like only fear, fear, and fear only.
yes.
Now I find it funny. So that is the way I developed of telling the art of story. That whatever experiences that I had, when I look back, I start telling them in a very funny manner. Actually,
And that comes across the entire book so well. And plus, you have also talked about the days from the 80s and 90s. I was born in the late 80s and grew up in the 90s. So, thoda wo nostalgia factor is also there, which I don't think the kids who were born after 95 or 96 would understand that much.
correct.
Yes. So, based
So
on my reading, Ankita ji, I had a few questions. If you would
okay.
be
So
kind enough
first,
to.
I would like to
Yes,
talk about your book as well,
yes,
like
of course, yes.
Embraces in Ink. As I wrote it from my heart only, but I read it. I mean, I had firstly never come across such a book, wherein poetic expression of gratitude, of actually your book is full of gratitude. You have shown gratitude for everything in your life, be it human being, be it relationships, be it things that you use. I mean, the first poem that it is written on the clock, the clock. I mean, it really blew my mind. Especially the thing which you have written, don't roll your eyes at me. You hear me out this time, okay? This time. See, I can't write a sentence without using you. Oh my God. So this was
Thank
something
you.
very interesting I found कि अरे वाओ क्लॉक को बिल्कुल आपने जीवंत कर दिया जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना हर चीज को. Similarly, I love the poem on curtain. Curtain. Dear curtain, dear curtain, thank you for blocking the light and eyes of the world outside. Hello?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm
Yeah,
here.
yeah, you're able to
Just
hear? Yeah.
yes, yes.
Dear curtain, thank you for blocking the light and the eyes of the world outside. Oh my God. What
Thank you.
a deep meaning it has. Yes, the curtains are blocking the eyes of the outside world and the light. And then you, and I mean, you bring down and then you write another very touching line to allow my heart to be light. Oh, this took my heart away. I mean, you're
Thank
you're showing gratitude towards curtain. I think how many of us would be showing gratitude to these things which we have in our life? I think none
you.
of
Not,
us. we
yeah.
we are we are very thankless human beings on this planet. We don't thank the water, we don't thank the chair, we don't thank anything which we have been getting. But your book has given something which I have always wanted to do, but I could never do that. I mean, in the poetic expression or in words, actually you're talking to these things, you're actually talking to them. It's and
Yes.
one place you have written also. You're really talking to them. I mean, this is another one which oh yes, dear quilt, quilt. Oh my God, the line I have written: goosebumps, blood, sweat, and tears. You have witnessed all of my worst. Now, who would imagine a quilt is actually, I mean, it has already taken that. Your goosebumps, your blood, your sweat, your fears, your tears, and everything. And it has just kept it inside it. It's very difficult for a normal human to even think that way. Ki a quilt can hold on to so many things which we give it. What a pretty
Thank
expression, Manali. Really, I'm really happy. I generally don't read poems, but the moment I started reading, because poems in India, I find it is generally वो प्यार का मारा दुखियारा. मैंने भी यही किया. मैं दूसरे को क्या बोलूं, मैंने खुद ने भी यही किया. Imagine आधी तो मेरी poems used to be about imaginary lovers, which I used to imagine and then write.
you.
और या फिर अनरिक्विटेड लव. लव
Yes.
भी कैसा कि मन में ही
Yes.
अपने ही दिख रहा है, अपने ही मन में प्यार कर रहे, उस तक बोला भी नहीं, पहुंचे भी नहीं, बट अपने मन में ही देख रहे, रिजेक्ट भी हो गए, सैड भी हो गए, खुश भी हो गए, एवरीथिंग वाज हैपनिंग अराउंड लाइक दैट. So, so most
True,
poems
true.
have
Yes.
been like that only. Most poems, or the beauty of the lover, basically, or the beauty
Yeah.
of the lover. We've been expressing so much, but
Yes.
but the way you have brought out the objects, I mean, there are so many things I'll talk about more as we move ahead. Very, very beautiful.
Thank you so much. It makes me feel very gratified, and to for the validation to come from somebody of your stature, it's like a huge ego boost for me. Thank you so much.
I loved it. So yes, now you can ask the questions.
Yes. So, in fact, the first question that I wanted to ask you was how so the entire book that you have written about the incident right from your childhood,
Yeah,
where you are preparing for the SSB. In fact, you are even before that you are talking about your failures as a school student, which is
yeah,
so
yeah,
honest. And then you talk about your SSB preparation,
yeah,
and then your days in the academy, and then your service in the army, and what you did after that also. So
yeah.
I'm sure there must have been many incidents that you had to cut out, or you had to, consciously select कि इसमें कौन सा मैं बुक के अंदर रखूं, कौन सा नहीं रखूं. So
Exactly.
what was your thought process behind that, and what was the process that you followed in order to decide? कोई method था? कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है ना कि याद भी नहीं आता है कोई इंसिडेंट. इट्स नॉट इजी टू रिमेम्बर
मेथड था,
इंसिडेंट.
यस मेथड
हाँ.
था. एक तो मुझे लिख के बदला लेने में बहुत मजा आता है लोगों से जिनको मैंने बदला नहीं लिया.
ओके.
एक तो ये मेरे साथ
हाँ.
बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है. और
हाँ.
मैं वहां लिख लिख के फिर लिख लेती हूँ. सो दैट इज वन थिंग. एंड सेकेंड इज at the same time, I'm a very dual personality, I think. At the same time, I don't want to hurt anybody, so I will skip all those things which have been hurtful to me. So
ओके.
वो भी वो मैं दोनों रखती हूँ. बहुत hurting भी नहीं होना चाहिए, बट मुझे
हाँ.
बदला भी लेना है. मुझे बदला भी लेना है. तो वो बदला लेने के लिए छोटा छोटा घुसा दो उसमें ना. ये डाल दो, ये डाल दो, ये डाल दो. So this format I have been following it.
Okay, lovely. So, but any trick for the memory part, because it's not always easy to remember the incidents from so long back. So,
Yeah,
any trick
you're right.
can help.
You're right. Yes, you're right. Okay, maybe I've been journaling things since
Ah,
quite some time.
okay.
And one of your poem is about journaling also, the Dear Journal. You know? So we I think writers have a habit of writing, noting it down,
Yes.
handwritten paper or a
Ah,
diary. There are many things which I had written, and I used to write letters to my mother also from Officers Training
oh,
Academy. So that
okay.
also gave me. Then my sisters, one or places when I missed something. So then when I posted one of the episodes, so somebody corrected me कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता, 5 दिन होता है, fourth day नहीं होता है, third day नहीं होता है. I said yeah, now I
Oh,
remember. So I'm open to suggestions and all that. So this is
okay.
how. And एक चीज और है, लाइक मेमोरी में ठीक है, एक फेक सी इमेज है आपके, इफ यू आर एबल टू कलेक्ट रिकलेक्ट. बट देन बीइंग अ राइटर, आई थिंक वी हैव द गिफ्ट ऑफ द pen. You can add fool patti in that memory also. So
Right.
I'm basically that fool patti wala person also, wherein I add, which is of course in the sync with the sentence that we are speaking, and
Of
it
course, yes.
retains the essence actually.
Uh-huh. Okay, lovely. Yes. So two things, of course, that helped you. Your own habit of journaling that helped you remember or
Yeah.
recollect all the incidents. And then, of course, you had people also to come in and give their inputs, which helped you,
Yeah.
remember the things better.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you for sharing that. And of course, as you said, as writers, we also have that ability कि इतना सा पता है पर हम इतना सारा लिख सकते हैं उसमें से.
I know.
Yeah.
So, like
Yeah.
I'm writing my next book also. So I've been telling all the people I've selected about whom I'm going to write. So it is about. I tell them, just give me your dot 1 2 3 4 5 about yourself, and I'm gonna put the full patti in that. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Of course, I'll take your consent before getting it
Of course.
finalized.
Yes.
You'll have to, but it will nothing be bad about anything, which you'll feel bad about.
Okay. Lovely. Yeah, and that shows in your this book also, and I'm sure it will show in the book that you are working on also. Okay.
Okay,
So
so
I want,
okay, can I ask you something
yes,
now?
of course,
Okay,
of course.
let's. Okay, so you have written Dear Life Partner,
Hmm.
wherein you have written your forever wala bracket mein forced love, and from your forever wala perfect love. I would like to know about this relationship, because you are actually blatantly blaming and taking the credit as well, isn't it?
Yeah. So वो है थोड़ा मेरा pet peeve with my husband because he doesn't have a single creative bone in his body, and also the fact that he has not read any of my books. तो वो मैं कहाँ निकालूँ? It comes out in this manner.
Good. And it's a very apt way of again बदला लेने वाला जो सीन है ना. It's like a very apt way.
Yeah.
राइटर से पंगा लिया है तो फिर राइटर कहीं ना
हाँ,
कहीं उसको निकाल देगा.
exactly.
ये तो है. So you can't take पंगा with the writer
हाँ.
actually.
और मेरा एक और आदत भी है. There was this Airtel ad many years ago, I think a decade and a half ago, जहाँ पे वो टैगलाइन था, जो तेरा है वो मेरा है, जो मेरा है वो तेरा है. But I am उल्टा. जो तेरा है वो मेरा है, जो मेरा है वो भी मेरा ही है.
वो भी मेरा है. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you've written about your future children as well. Now, this is
Oh,
very
thank
touching,
you.
very touching, and it feels like a blessing. It feels like a blessing. I mean,
Thank you.
literally,
Thank you so much.
I feel like blessing you. I feel like asking God to bless you. You
Thank
should
you so much.
have exactly what you have written about. It's a
Thank
very
you. Thank
beautiful
you so much.
poem.
Thank you.
In
Thank
fact,
you so
all
much.
young moms or going to be moms or young girls who are going to get married, they should read this poem.
Thank you.
I want you to highlight that poem for all the younger generation. Ki- This is what we
Thank you.
have to. You're imagining, and you are saying, and you are planning, and you're putting yourself in those shoes.
Yes.
Very, very,
Thank
very
you. Thank you.
creative.
Thank you.
Very. It feels like a blessing to you. I mean, really telling you.
Thank you so much. That means a lot.
No,
And that brings me to my next question for you, related to your book, which is that about the humor that I was talking about, and the passage that I read out. It was so humorous. I mean, it has elements of humor all throughout the book. Whether it is something you serious that you are talking about, उसके बीच में भी एक आध line तो there will come which will be like, यार ये बहुत funny है. So I want to ask about that. What throughout the book, how and why did you decide to take this tone for your book, and were you not worried that the seriousness of the entire plot would be lost in between this humor?
okay, yeah, very right question. See, firstly, that reflects my true personality. That's what I am. And I'm very proud about showcasing myself as I am. I'm no layers, no layers. I am as what I am. And I take pride in that. And I feel that there's no harm in showing myself that way. Number one. Number two, I did not want to make it a war book or a military book because the
Hmm.
younger generation will never want to read it. They will
Yes,
never want to read a
true.
very serious book. People do not want to read seriousness. They have enough seriousness in their life. Hajar pange. There is
Ah,
so much of siapa happening
true.
all around in their life. So why to make them more serious about it? Let's have
True.
some humor. Let's have some smiles. Let me make them laugh at least, if I can.
Yes, true, true.
That is what.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much for answering that. And that answers my
Okay.
question also about, you not being worried about the seriousness being lost. Because अगर humor है तो ही लोग पढ़ेंगे, which is a true thing. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, as a writer, you have to see all these things. बहुत
Yeah.
serious किताब आपने लिख दी किसी के ऊपर या अपनी life के it then becomes more like a diary entry also. And
Yeah.
people are not interested in knowing your diary. आपकी दुख
Yes.
भरी कहानी किसको सुननी है? सबके कहानी में दुख है. Every life is full of दुख, 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 दुख. So
True.
why to talk about दुख भरी कहानी? Why not
Yes.
make people laugh? Why not make them believe that dukh hai, theek hai? You can still find
Yes.
humor in that. It's
Yes.
a mathematical formula which I put actually.
Yes. And it works really well. I must say again. I'm saying
Chalo,
it
good.
again and again, but I mean it's true. जितना बोलूं उतना
Good.
कम है, वैसा टाइप का है ये.
Chalo, God. So, okay. So, can I
Uh,
ask you another question?
I'm just I'm just going to pause you for a minute. We have Jairam who's asking, please save this session, ma'am. So I just want to address that comment by saying that this will be available on my Instagram feed. वो कभी नहीं जाएगा. आप बाद में भी episode देख पाएंगे.
Good.
Okay.
आराम से देख लेना. So, I have this question for you. You've written about your body,
Yes.
body parts. Amazing.
Thank you.
Hats off. But specifically, what I like is dear mouth. You've thanked your mouth. First, why? So my question would be now, which you have written, I'll read it out. For speaking the truth and also some lies when the need arose. Oh, now what is the reason behind being so honest? That is what I want to know from you. It is honesty. It's pure honesty.
Yeah, so I call these white lies. I mean, ऐसा पूरा ब्लैक नहीं बोल सकते उसको, दीज आर व्हाइट लाइज, जिससे मेरा भी बेनिफिट होगा और सामने वाले का भी बेनिफिट होगा. फॉर इंस्टेंस, इफ आई नो इफ somebody has worked really hard in making a new dish,
Yeah,
मैं नहीं बोलूंगी कि ये बेकार है, मैं बोलूंगी कि हाँ अच्छा है, हम नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर से ट्राई कर सकते हैं. ऐसा क्यों बोलूंगी कि बहुत बेकार है, आपसे मत ट्राई करना. उस इंसान ने इतना
perfect.
सारा एफर्ट डाला है उसमें, तो
सही है.
मतलब that needs to be appreciated also, I feel. And
Yes,
as somebody who cooks every day, I know कितना एफर्ट जाता है behind every dish that is being made. तो
correct.
I I don't think जहाँ पे नेसेसरी है वहां पे सच बोलना चाहिए, नेसेसरी नहीं है वहां पे सच मत बोलो.
हाँ ठीक है, perfect. Why? I mean, I like the thought behind that. I like that thought behind. I could understand, and I think it is. I mean, for everybody, we all do it. We don't want to hurt many a times, but thanking your mouth for allowing you to do that, that is what is very interesting. You know, that is what is interesting. I
Because
urge all the audience, the readers, please read Manali's book because you will fall in love with your own self after this.
thank you.
Believe me. Everybody is going to fall in love with themselves.
And specifically, I also wrote that because it has taken some taming for my mouth to control its emotions, real emotions.
Yeah,
उसको थैंक करना
true.
बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज समटाइम्स वो नो फिल्टर हो जाता है और कुछ बकवास भी निकल जाता है.
No, but I appreciate your honesty in that. I really appreciate your honesty.
Thank you so much. And that brings me to my next question for you, which is you have transformed yourself. You have won the beauty pageant 2 times. So I want to ask, and you have yourself mentioned this again and again, that your journey from boots to stilettos in the later stage of your life. I want to ask you, if you had to choose between the two, boots or stilettos, your
Boots,
preferred footwear.
boots, 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 boots. Oh, that is all Cinderella. Cinderella, that is all Cinderella avatar. Cinderella becomes goes back to her boots. That was only for a momentary thing, nothing beyond that. Nothing.
Lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much for answering that with so much honesty. And I think that comes across in your book also, where we know कि somewhere आपको ये फेज अच्छा लग रहा है, बट वो फेज जैसा था वैसा तो ये कभी नहीं हो पाएगा.
और पता है मैं अभी भी when I get decked up nicely, the picture which I sent you, I had gone to a party last Sunday. I get decked up. मतलब मैं शायद मेरा जो थ्रेशोल्ड है सिंड्रेला मोमेंट का, मुझको लगता है 15 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं है. मैं 15 मिनट के बाद मेरे अंदर का I'm telling you, my सिपाही inside from my inside comes out from my mouth only. And वो लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं, ये लग तो ऐसी नहीं रही है, बोल कैसे रही है. I cannot act like a Cinderella after 15 minutes, you know. पूरा वो
Yeah.
मैं बिल्कुल वापस. And one of the chapters has this Cinderella thing also.
Yes, it does. Nilshri is here. Nilshri is the one who brought us together. Hi, Nilshri.
Hi,
Thank you for
Nilshri.
your
Yeah,
thank you for your
Nilshri.
recommendation. And we are having fun with Ankita. You missed a lot of it, but you can of course catch on later also. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, your turn, ma'am.
Acha. So now you're wearing glasses. Even I'm wearing glasses, but it's a distance one, myopia. Yes, you also talked about myopia and all that. So now there has been a taboo in my time, I would say, since I'm a little older to you in age, or maybe too older than you. So because I was born in, of course, in 70s. So there was a taboo that girls with specs were never considered in the marriage market, or like they were never considered to be good, and कभी हम छुपाते थे if we are wearing spectacles, na? So we would just hide, you would take out. And here you have thanked again the glasses, the vision giver. And one line which you said, if any relationship in my life defines its complicated status to perfection, it is ours. Now I would like to know from you, why did you come to this conclusion of this relationship with your glasses?
But as you were mentioning, I think I was born in the late 80s. तो मेरे time तक भी ऐसा ही था thinking. I think that's a conditioning that we will not let go of for a very long time. आज भी है. I feel somewhere even today girls with specs are considered less beautiful. Somewhere ऐसा
हाँ.
thought process आता है दिमाग में.
Hmm.
तो that's very difficult to let go of, and I grew up with that same inhibitions कि चश्मे हैं तो कोई मुझे भाव नहीं देगा, कोई मुझे
चश्मिश
पसंद नहीं
चश्मिश
करे.
चश्मिश
हाँ
है ना,
हाँ
चश्मिश बोलेंगे.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल. So
तो
that
हाँ.
is why you said this basically.
Yes. And I went through an entire stage where I ignored the problem for 2-3 years. मुझे नहीं दिख रहा था क्लैरिटी से दूर का, but then I didn't share it with anyone just for the fear कि मुझे चश्मा आ जाएगा और मुझसे कोई दोस्ती नहीं करेगा.
See, ये बहुत बड़ा fear था.
Yes.
And all the girls out there who are listening to us or watching us, please read Manali's book and read this particular poem about the glasses. Believe me, you will start feeling good about your glasses. I'm telling you repeatedly, I'm saying this word. You read Manali's book and you will start falling in love with everything about your life. This is what
Yes.
your book has brought out. Actually, your book has brought out loving everything about your life, loving everything about yourself. It's something very beautiful. I'm being
Thank,
very honest.
thank you so much, ma'am. Which brings me to my next question. Since we are talking about your life in the army, and the book is also about that, I want to know what's the prominent color in your wardrobe? Is it olive green? If not, why is it not?
My color. You mean to say the blood? The blood.
No, no, no. The color, prominent color in your wardrobe, in your clothes.
Okay, now it's not olive green. Now it's not olive green. Because at one time, because it was always olive green in my wardrobe. So because of the beauty pageants, finally I learned how to act like a demure lady and all those things. And I learned to wear mauves and the pinks and the yellows and the reds and all those things. And then I realized the other colors as well are very beautiful and they look good on me. So, but yes, at least 3 or 4 dresses you will find in olive green color, shades of olive green. That is there. That is there. That is definitely there. At
Okay.
least so. But then there's a mix of other colors. Like I'm wearing a
Huh.
pink shirt right now.
Yes. It looks lovely. But still, the prominent color in your wardrobe is still olive green, which
In fact,
yeah.
yeah, wardrobe chodo. I think my blood is olive green.
हाँ,
I think
वो तो मतलब फौजी है तो वो तो I mean expected.
what I expected.
Yes. Okay. Your turn, man.
Okay,
Any
so
questions you
now,
have for
yeah,
me?
I realize you've written about the days of the week. Oh, beautiful. Now, especially the Wednesday and the Thursday. Why do you feel? So my question is, why do you feel this is a universally true phenomena that they are the most neglected or unwanted kind of days? And how can we make them more valued?
As I mentioned in the poem itself, कि है ना, if we compare Wednesday and Thursday to people, they are like the silent, bridges between our
Yes. Yeah.
relationships. They are the people
Yeah.
who are just there, not expecting anything, but their presence is very much valuable in our lives until the time we realize कि इनके ना होने से क्या हो सकता है, हम उनको appreciate नहीं करते हैं.
Correct.
So
Correct.
I think
Correct.
Wednesdays and Thursdays are those days in the week which अगर हमने निकाल दिए तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे जो हम इतना उछलते हैं they would lose their charm, and मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे जिनको हम इतना गाली देते हैं वो भी अनबेरेबल हो जाएंगे. और
So every day has a value actually. Every
yes,
day has a
yes,
value, which your poem talks about. Okay, at least we must respect all the days. Let's
yes,
not make them feel unvalued.
yes,
Basically, the Wednesday and the Thursday.
yes,
Perfect, perfect. I loved it. I mean, actually, this is a universal phenomenon. This is true. But I have
yeah.
never thought about it, Kerry. उनको कितना बुरा लगता होगा. You have made them
Exactly.
feel. You have made them made me feel that उनको बुरा लगता है. अब मुझे भी बुरा लग रहा है यार. मैंने तो उसको बहुत ही बुरा फील कराया लग रहा है. And I think everybody will, if they read, they will realize कि no, we should not make them feel so bad. I mean,
Yes.
they should be valued. Yes.
Thank you. Which brings me to my next question. I don't don't think it's possible. But if possible, can you read out a poem that you recited on your days for reading out for All India Radio, or any of the poems that were published in those magazines and newspapers that you wrote for as a teenager?
I don't remember that, but yes, uh, I don't know if I can just go back on screen change or something. I don't know if I can do
No,
that.
that might be possible.
I'll not take that panga because I'm not very technically smart. But what I can think about poems, it's always my veer ras actually, always giving energy to the people. Or actually, when you are nobody, you actually try to give energy to your own self with your pen. Actually, that's what I have been doing as a kid, as a teenager, as a growing up woman in a small town full of eve teasers around me. So I would try to give energy to my own self by my pen, writing those bravery ki na matlab that veer ras wala thing, something like that. Relationships, those days it used to be about relationships, the men and people around not trusting each other. And even those days the drug menace were very much, so I used to write on drugs also. That got selected somewhere, I think American Poetry Anthology, it got selected in that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you're
So
mentioning that.
yes, so those were like and even I remember Rajiv Gandhi when he was assassinated. So when Sonia Gandhi was going to receive the Bharat Ratna or something, I felt her pain. Matlab, going to receive a Bharat Ratna or a medal from the government, will she be able to have her husband back? No. So that
No.
pain was like I remember writing a painful poem. And then I used to write about trees. I used to write about kids. I don't know. I think I used to write anything, whatever used to be there in front of me. I think so. But
Okay.
not like you. I had never been grateful to the things in my life. At least in words, I'm not. I feel them, but then you have actually opened my eyes to a lot of
Thank
things. I
you.
I am a person of gratitude. I live by gratitude, but yet I was so far behind, in gratitude, in showing or rather expressing gratitude or rather feeling gratitude. चलो show मत करो, express मत करो, at least feel तो करो. वो जो feeling you have brought it in my heart towards those things.
Thank you.
नाउ मेरा तो पूरा नजरिया ही बदल गया है रजाई को देख के, चश्मे को देख के, मतलब एवरीथिंग आई एम, मेरा पूरा नजरिया ही बदल. नाउ इनफैक्ट माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी टू यू. You've even mentioned not so good friend, not so close friend, or not so friend. You've written about how did you lose. So what makes you think and you have actually blamed yourself only in that
Yeah.
also. I mean, you have not blamed the other person. It might be then why didn't you come, I might have done. And these are again very normal things in every human's life. How did you come to that level of understanding that I need to talk about this thing? It must be there in your head.
Yeah, so a lot of the poems from this book are actually, once again, shout out to Nilshri, because Nilshri also runs Arthropod. She's the founder of Arthropod magazine,
Yeah, yeah.
and they had come up with a challenge 2 years back, 1.5 years ago, in November 23. They had come up with a challenge related to letter writing, and some of the prompts that they had given us were related to this, like write a letter to your long lost friend, or like write a letter to your
Okay.
childhood friend. And
अच्छा
that's how
अच्छा.
the inspiration came in. Idea wahan se aaya,
Okay.
but then
Oh.
I was at that time in my life also, I was at a stage where a few friends had hurt me a lot, and
Oh.
I was looking for some kind of a release for my
Closure.
emotions. Yes. Yeah.
Release, yeah, release. I understand that release is such an important thing. कि मतलब वो दर्द था, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि you had that pain, you definitely had that pain in your heart, and you have very beautifully taken it out, but not by blaming her.
Yeah.
And मतलब it is really good. Something I think I appreciate that. अभी
Thanks.
मैंने भी शायद ऐसे किया है कुछ, मैंने भी अपने जीवन में किया है ऐसा काम. और मैं इतनी मैग्नानिमिटी नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट सिंपली ब्रशिंग इट अंडर द कार्पेट. You know, I'm not addressing it. I'm simply not addressing it. But when I read your poem, I sat down and I started thinking about those girls or women whom I have cut them off from my life. Yes,
Yeah.
it did remind me. So again, hats off to you to
Thank you.
open our eyes, to open our way of life, the way we think life is. Too good.
Thank you. I'm glad you felt that way because of
Yeah,
my writing the words.
I
Since
definitely did. I definitely did.
since we are talking about my poems, my next question to you is related to
Yeah.
that.
Hmm.
Is there any poem that you would add to the collection in Embraces, or any poem that you would write differently?
I think I would add. Of course, you've written about the books, you've written friends, and that's very relatable. Like from Enid Blyton onwards, when I started reading them, they have been our friends. Library, you talked about library. You even thanked the library. That is something very strange. कि मतलब library को हमने कभी सोचा नहीं. So I think if I will write, no, I will not change any of your poem. No way, nahi, because you have a very different way of writing, and it shows a lot of magnanimity, I must say, and a magnanimity, gratitude. It speaks about your personality. I feel it speaks about your personality. So what you are, it gets reflected in your book, basically. So I will not be able to change any of your poem. Rather, I would be able to, okay, now since right now I'm on the airport, I can think of writing about the airport, the vibes of an airport, and why
Yes.
am I not so bloody rich that I can go to every shop and buy everything? I mean,
Yeah, good one.
I can just think of those things, funny things. Again, funny thing. Why am I not bloody so rich that I can buy all this, everything I see, Almond House or some bloody coffee, some bloody thing. Why can't I buy everything? You know?
Oh, I
So
love
I
this.
think I can write a hilarious anecdotal poem that all these things attract me, call me, lure me, the purses. But then I tell myself, I have enough, no place to keep in the house. You better don't buy anything. You can't eat
Yes.
sugar, no added sugar stuff. So many things is there. You can't eat all these things which they are selling. Just shut up and just wait for your flight. That's it.
I love this. Please write this.
And
I would love to share it on my social
and
media.
yeah, I would write it for you. Definitely, I'm going to write it. And one thing more I learned from your poem book. The other day when I was flying down from Jaipur to Hyderabad, I had my notebook because you talked about journals and journaling. So and the pen and the paper, you talked about all those things. It again connected me with my pen and paper. And then what I did, I sat down in the aircraft and I wrote a handwritten thank you note to the cabin crew. It
Oh,
is
wow.
all because of you. I will share
Thank
that.
you. Wow.
I'm going to share that kagaj with you, photograph of that kagaj, and I shared it with my sister and my brother. Or both. Then they said, गाली सब लोग देते हैं, लेकिन thank you कोई नहीं बोलता है. So I
That is
told
so
कि I
lovely.
recently read a book by one author, and because of that I have learned. मैं
Wow.
फील करती थी लेकिन मैंने बोला तो नहीं ऐसे खुल के
Hmm.
ना. And it's all thanks to you, Manali.
Thank
Thank you for teaching us love. Thank you for teaching us gratitude.
This makes me feel
Gratitude has
happy.
been my second style, but then I there were so many things I was not able to show my gratitude for, which you made me. Even I would like to ask you, why did you choose to write poem on a stranger?
Yeah.
Why? I mean, I can't
Again,
think. Tell me.
again, I shout out to Nilshri and Author Pod for that wonderful prompt of writing a letter to a stranger. And while I was writing that, I was thinking of the many people who have helped me, because I love traveling and
Oh,
exploring alone. I am a solo traveler and explorer. And
okay.
I moved out of my parents' house when I was just 18. तो मुझे ना बहुत लोगों ने हेल्प किया है to cope with homesickness and
I know.
taking care of me. Or when I was
Uh-huh.
lost in a new city, they were there to help me out with directions and
Mm-hmm.
whatnot. And that
Okay.
was a lovely experience for me. And I wanted to show it कि है ना, दुनिया में
Okay.
अच्छे लोग भी हैं. You can trust people you don't know.
Exactly. That is it. That is it. हम अभी भी लोगों को शक करते हैं बहुत ज्यादा. And you know, I feel, personally, I feel, whatever you will show, it will come back to you.
Yes, exactly.
You
I
show
feel
love,
जैसे रखो ना, हाँ, जैसा
yeah.
आपका पर्सनालिटी है, जैसा आप बिहेव करोगे लोगों के साथ, इट विल कम बैक टू यू इन मेनी फोल्ड. नॉट जस्ट व्हाट
Eh,
यू डू, इट
yeah,
विल कम बैक
yeah.
मेनी फोल्ड.
So my next question would be to you: do you think with your poems, I can understand? Do you think uh, I can ask you in Hindi, na?
हाँ हाँ,
You understand? You
yes,
understand?
yes,
Okay.
yeah.
कि दूसरे का व्यवहार, दूसरे के व्यवहार का रेगुलेटर क्या हमारे हाथ में होता है?
बिल्कुल होता है, बिल्कुल होता है.
Yes, yes.
What you do
हमने
on to
जो
others, others will do on to you. I totally believe in that. हाँ, मतलब कुछ
yes.
नमूने होते हैं जो बहुत ढीठ होते हैं और वो नहीं बदलेंगे अपने तरीके. बट आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड दोस काइंड ऑफ पीपल इन योर लाइफ एनी.
ठीक है, बट रेगुलेटर आपके हाथ में.
हाँ हाँ,
डू यू
बिल्कुल.
ऑल्सो बिलीव कि इफ यू प्रेस द राइट बटन इन अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एक्चुअली राइट चीजें बाहर आती हैं, और आपने रॉन्ग बटन दबा दिया तो रॉन्ग चीजें आती हैं कभी
हाँ
कभी.
हाँ,
नॉट
आई
ऑलवेज, बट
थिंक.
सम ऑफ द टाइम.
हाँ, ये डिपेंड करता है बहुत लोगों के साथ. आई थिंक इफ यू बिहेव नाइसली विद समवन, दे विल बिहेव नाइसली विद यू. बट अगर उस मोमेंट पे वो क्या फील कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ क्या हुआ है, और आपने कुछ गलत बोल दिया, दे विल गेट ट्रिगर्ड एंड देन यू कांट ब्लेम देम फॉर दैट, बिकॉज आपने
एग्जैक्टली.
कुछ गलत किया है.
यू आर राइट. सो ये रिलेशनशिप में भी होता है, हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ, हमारे सिबलिंग्स के साथ, हमारे, आई थिंक हम लोग के बहुत सारे लोग के साथ ये होता ही है, सबके साथ होता
हाँ.
है. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट, यू इवन थैंक्ड योर पेरेंट्स, योर फादर, योर मदर. सो व्हाई डिड यू थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू थैंक देम?
क्योंकि मुझे यही तरीका आता है. टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, मुझे ना ऐसा फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन इतना अच्छे से आता नहीं. आई फील दैट इट what I will convey with my mouth will not get conveyed as well as what I will put into words on pen and paper.
Okay, okay. So see, this is the beauty of a writer.
Yes.
A writer, I think, can express better in the words. कहीं ना कहीं, डू यू थिंक बचपन में जिनको बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्रेशन का फ्रीडम नहीं था, और मे बी चांस नहीं मिला, अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली, कहीं ना कहीं दे स्टार्ट राइटिंग एंड दे स्टार्ट एक्सप्रेसिंग देयर फीलिंग्स ऑन द पेपर?
Yes, I feel not just with writing. I feel whoever has a creative outlet, they will use that to express themselves if they are not given the freedom to express how they normally can. मतलब अगर वो बोल के एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाएंगे तो वो लिख के करेंगे, या वो पेंट करके करेंगे, या वो डांस करके करेंगे, बट इट विल कम आउट इन वन फॉर्म और द अदर क्रिएटिवली.
Yes.
तो
So creativity is the outlet, basically.
yes, definitely, definitely.
So like
वो
I used to
वो
get punished. I used to get punished at home for speaking, and when I was not allowed to speak at home, I would be standing with my finger on my lips in the classroom, getting punished every time because I used to speak so much. And then as I grew up, I realized you can't speak so much all the time. So that is probably I started writing.
yeah.
I thought, "Okay, let me pen down my emotions, my feelings, my observation." No, nobody is listening to me. So at least my diary was listening to me. So I was just writing. I think that you have also mentioned in your poems. The essence remains the same, that you've been journaling, you've been writing, and you've been expressing your feelings that way.
Yes.
So I think we have
Yeah.
that mutual writing wala journey
Yes, we
and all
yeah,
that. Huh?
we are kindred spirits that way. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. My last question to you is, since you have read and enjoyed the book, which poem from Embraces has inspired you to perform it at an spoken fest, or convert it into a reel or do something creative around it?
Which one from your embraces, na?
Hmm.
Okay, one of course is I love that quilt wala.
Huh.
बहुत ज़्यादा. I mean, that is a true thing. It has taken everything. And yes, the clock. I will in fact enact it out completely with everything, having a conversation with the clock, because clock is everything in our life today. It's
Definitely.
everything because it is time, because time is
Time
money,
is
because
money. Yeah.
time is money, and time requires valuing it. If you do not value, it will never value you.
Yes.
Time is the life, is the life for the environment, for your career, for your relationships, for your nurturing your children. टाइम के अलावा है ही क्या?
Exactly.
आज की तारीख में अगर आप किसी को टाइम दे सकते हो तो आप बहुत अमीर इंसान हो.
Hmm. True. And
पैसा तो सबके पास है, टाइम नहीं है.
hmm.
Any, if I'm spending time with a friend, that means yes, I'm putting an
Yeah.
effort.
Yeah.
पैसा देने में मेरे को एफर्ट नहीं लगेगा.
Hmm.
अगर मैं किसी गरीब के पास आधा घंटा बैठ के उसकी बात सुनूं, उसका दुख दर्द सुनूं, rather than giving him that 50 रुपया का नोट या 100 रुपया का नोट या 20 रुपया का नोट. टाइम,
Yeah.
time
Time.
is a time bomb. Time is a time bomb that is tickling from our lives. We all are running against the time.
Yes.
We are chasing the time. We are chasing the time. Everybody wants to hold the time.
Hmm.
But will the time stop? No. So I think, enact, talk, do whatever. I mean, you extempore or whatever. I think your
Lovely.
clock is the best poem I found,
Thank you.
which I would like to.
Yeah. I would love that. If you can do it, I would love to see it and share it
I'll do
across
that.
everywhere.
I'll
Yeah.
do that. I'm gonna do that. Do a kind of a stand up for time.
Wow.
I'm gonna do that, and I'll record it, and I'll send it to you. And
Wow.
I just want you to tell it to everybody, because that's the reality of life.
True.
That is the reality.
Yes.
I read a quote. I think I read something very long back. Somebody, it's not mine. There are so many expensive watches today, but people do not have time.
Have time. Yeah. Lovely. What a deep and meaningful quote. Yeah.
I mean, see, people buy watches, but they don't have time.
Don't have time. Yeah.
Nobody has time. You don't have time to listen to your spouse. You don't have time to listen to your maid. पहले maid की story सुनने में बहुत मजा आता था. हमारे पास time होता था. अब तो हम उस पे भी टाइम नहीं लगाते. कौन उसकी घर की पंचायत सुनेगा?
True.
So,
Yes. And
so my last question would be: do you value time, or do you let the time pass by?
no, no, never. I utilize. मुझे तो ना हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि हर मोमेंट इज फिल्ड विद सो मच पोटेंशियल, और अगर उसको आप जाने दे रहे हो तो आपका खुद का पोटेंशियल वेस्ट हो रहा है. तो
Very
मतलब
true.
there is so much possibility out there for you to do something new, to explore something new,
Absolutely,
or
absolutely,
create something new every moment.
absolutely. Yeah. So you can start with the rapid fire round, I think.
हाँ, मेरे
Yeah.
क्वेश्चंस आ
If,
गए इसी में.
because I'm not into Bollywood, so I'll not be able to talk about. Just a minute.
That's
Just
fine.
give me a little minute. Just a minute. I'll ask about. Excuse me. The Delhi flight. Excuse me. Excuse me. The Delhi flight. You. Okay. Fine. Thank you. हाँ चलो, I have time. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So okay. So
Nilshri is
so
Nilshri is mentioning here that Ankita is good at stand-up comedy
oh,
too. जो मुझे पता चल गया है, तो आपको करना
I'm
पड़ेगा
gonna
ये.
do that. I'm gonna do that for both of you, both Nilshri and Manali. I'm gonna do that. Don't worry.
Love it,
I
love
will
it.
talk lots of things. In fact, I'll take something from Manali's book, wherein though she hasn't written in a humorous way, but she has that humor, hidden humor in the words. There are many words which have got hidden humor. So something which I loved it. Actually, I loved it.
Thank you. Thank
So
you. Yeah, that brings us me to the end of the questions. And since you have read Embraces in Ink and it's a theme based on gratitude, I have a gratitude bingo game, and I would love to play that with you. You simply have to answer in yes or no. I'll ask you a bunch of
okay,
questions, and you have to answer in yes or no. Okay. So
okay,
my first
okay.
question is: you did a random act of kindness. Yes or no? Did.
Yes.
Oh, lovely. Okay. Next one. Paid gratitude to an object.
No.
Okay. Next one.
I'm going
Wrote
to
a
do now after your book. Now I've started doing that.
You definitely should. It's a very therapeutic and rejuvenating experience. You'll have
Yeah.
fun. Okay. Next one. Wrote a gratitude letter.
Mm, to somebody I know or yeah, that I
Anything.
did.
Anything. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I do. I do.
Okay. Lovely. Next one. Said sorry to someone in the last 24 hours.
Oh, many people. I sorry is my second language. Sorry and thank you. Yeah. Mm.
Okay. Next one. Said thank you to someone in the last 24 hours.
Yes, yes, I did.
Lovely. Next one. Hugged someone in the last 24 hours.
No, 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 I'm not. I think I'm not good at hugging. I'm more
Okay.
with the shaking of hands, I'm more into
Okay.
shaking hands actually.
ओके
Hmm.
या सबका
Hmm.
अपना होता है जेस्चर दिखाने का दैट्स फाइन या
Ah,
ओके नेक्स्ट वन सेड समथिंग नाइस और पेड अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू समवन इन द लास्ट 24 आवर्स
yes, I did. Yes, I did.
ओके लवली फॉरगिव समवन हु हर्ट यू
No. In 24 hours, it did not happen.
मतलब
But yes,
इन द रिसेंट
but in my
पास्ट
life, yeah, but I have done it. Yes.
ओके लवली ओके नेक्स्ट वन हेल्प समवन विदाउट एनी मोटिव और एक्सपेक्टेशन
Yeah, yeah,
ओके लवली
yes, yes.
नेक्स्ट वन gave someone a shout out in the last 24 hours
No,
okay
I've not done that.
next one listen to someone with empathy and without judgment.
Yeah, that I do. I
Okay,
always do.
lovely,
No judgment. I don't judge people.
lovely. Next one. Spent quiet time alone outside.
हाय यही नहीं होता मेरे से बस यही नहीं होता मेरे से कभी हाय नहीं होता ये मेरे से नहीं होता बिल्कुल भी okay
Okay.
okay but like 24 hours yes I went to the temple and I sat
Okay.
there I went to
हाँ तो
Lord
okay.
Jagannath's temple I sat there
And
but
that counts.
अच्छा लग रहा था बस वो एक थोड़ा
Okay.
देर के लिए मैं बैठी
Valid counts. Okay. Next one. Did not complain a whole day.
I never complain. I don't complain of
Wow.
anything. I
Wow.
never complain. I never complain. Complaining is not my nature at all.
Wow. Love it.
कोई
Love it. बहुत कुछ
कोई
सीखना है
शिकायत
आपसे.
नहीं है कोई शिकायत नहीं है मुझे जिंदगी से कोई
Wow.
शिकायत नहीं है
Love it.
भगवान से इंसानों से किसी से शिकायत नहीं है सब
Love
अपना
it.
अपना रोल कर रहे हैं मुझे बस ऊपर वाले की मेहरबानियां हैं बस
Love it. Love it. Love your attitude. बहुत कुछ सीखना है आपसे सच में. Next one. Wrote 3 things you like about yourself.
Did I write in last
Yeah.
24 hours?
कभी भी मतलब in the recent past.
No, I have not written that I write something.
Not necessarily written, but all thought about कि हाँ यार मैं तो ये बहुत अच्छा कर लेती हूँ.
वो मैं मिरर में देख के अपने को बहुत अरे मैं अभी भी कितनी हसीन लग रही हूँ टाइप्स ओह माय गॉड आई एम 50 प्लस बट आई एम गुड और अपनी सेल्फी देख के सेल्फी सही आ जाती तो उसमें भी मैं बहुत
हाँ,
अच्छी लग जाती
बढ़िया. Okay. Next one. Wrote three things you like about your parents.
No, I have not done that.
It's a very
I have not
therapeutic
done that.
experience.
I think
It's,
I need to do this. I must. I
and
must.
I'm just going to address Nilshi's comment. She's saying ritual break हो गई complain वाला question because this question did not complain a whole day. इसमें 90% people say no because उनकी वो question सुनते ही उनके दिमाग में आ जाता है हाँ यार मैं बहुत कंप्लेन करती हूँ ये तो हुआ ही नहीं कभी एक दिन पूरा कंप्लेन नहीं किया ये तो हुआ ही नहीं
मुझे तो लग रहा है मेरे पिछले 50 साल भी में कंप्लेन मैंने नहीं किया होगा. I'm not a
wow
complain
love
person. I will never complain of anything. I will try to find a way to solve a situation. और अगर मेरे को कुछ मिल भी रहा है दुख तो ठीक है, दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ है. ऐसा नहीं है एवरीथिंग इज हॉन्की डोरी.
हाँ
ठीक है, बट आई नॉट कंप्लेन. आई
your
डोंट
attitude
कंप्लेन.
it's your attitude towards it that
I
matters
never
yeah
complain. Yeah.
love it okay next one
I
wrote three things you like
grant that person कि वो किसी कारण से ऐसा कर रहा होगा.
हाँ yeah okay yeah that's a good attitude to maintain ये सोच बदलने से कितना कुछ बदल जाता है ना हमारे अंदर भी बहुत lovely okay next question wrote three things you like about someone you envy
अरे नहीं, इतनी महान नहीं हूं मैं. ऐसे तो बाबा.
love it
And
okay
envious and being envious is also part of being human, because I'm
yeah
human, so I'm envious and I
yeah
don't shy of being envious. But
yeah
I will never write. I mean, oh my god, I will now have to rethink. Okay, I have to write three things good about that person whom I envy. uh, I'll do that. I'll try.
yeah okay next one wrote three things you like about a friend or a colleague
I have not written as such, but I've been very appreciative about that person on the face only. I
okay
do
lovely
appreciate people on their faces, and I protect everybody behind their backs. I will not let
oh
people talk nonsense.
wow सही है
I will
एकदम
not.
सही तरीका है
मुंह पे
ओके
तारीफ
नेक्स्ट
करना
वन
है, पीठ
हाँ
पीठ पीछे
पीठ
बचाना
पीछे
है उसको.
करना है यस लव इट ओके नेक्स्ट वन हेल्प्ड mentored or shared knowledge with someone
Oh yeah, वो तो that's my forte only.
okay
Yes,
next
even
one
in last 24 hours I did that. Yeah.
हाँ वो तो पता
आई
चल ही
डिड.
रहा है मतलब आप
एंड
ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो हाँ
24 आवर्स में मतलब मैंने अलग अलग लोगों को ये किया है. इट्स नॉट दैट वन सेट ऑफ पीपल एट वन प्लेस. लास्ट 24 आवर्स में इट माइट हैव बीन 3-4 पीपल, डिफरेंट पीपल
wow
एंड
oh
डिफरेंट
lovely
जेंडर. हाँ, डिफरेंट जेंडर, मतलब मेल फीमेल एंड
oh
ऑल दैट ना. हाँ.
oh
So,
wow lovely next one watch the sunset in the past month
no. I don't watch sunsets.
अच्छा इतनी भी मतलब वो नहीं हूँ मैं वो पोएटिक
मुझे I'm a morning person, so I enjoy
oh
watching
okay
sunrise. So
sunrise
I'm not a very evening person, so I somehow don't watch sunsets. It
okay
gives me a gloomy feeling, so I don't watch.
okay next one observed or appreciated nature and its elements
Oh yes, I definitely 100%, 100%. वो
okay love
तो बहुत
it
ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा.
okay ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है for people living in India but still sat in the sunlight in the past week
Past week, yeah, I did.
okay
Yes,
okay
I did. थोड़ा
okay
देर के लिए, जहाँ मुझे जगह मिला,
हाँ
हाँ, आई हैव
okay
डन दैट.
okay
एक वीक में
next
तो
one
किया है मैंने, एक वीक में किया है.
lovely okay next one made someone laugh or smile in the last 24 hours
अरे खूब दबा के. आई मीन दैट तो आई एंजॉय डूइंग. आई तो एंजॉय डूइंग दैट. It makes my own day. It makes my own day. With my sisters, when once both my sisters were not talking to me, and my elder brother said one day, "You must be feeling bad because your ego is hurting, because they are very younger to me.
Hmm.
Your ego must be hurting that they are not. How dare they not talk to me?" I said, no, it's not the ego that is hurting me. It is what is hurting me is that I'm not able to make them laugh. I
Oh,
have my two audience have reduced in last so many days. I need people to laugh. I need audience. So I'm feeling bad
love it.
that I'm not making them laugh. So I love to make people laugh, you know. Again, it's a
Okay,
blessing. It's a
great,
blessing only.
great observation by your sibling, and yeah, I can see that you enjoy entertaining people. Yeah.
I'm actually a sit down comedian. I think I can keep sitting and talking actually. Not a stand up comedian, but a sit down comedian.
Okay, next one. Turned or looked at a negative situation in a positive manner.
Every time.
Oh, okay.
Last few days, I'm going through something in my own house with my kids, but I'm trying to seek blessings and looking at it in a very positive manner.
Okay,
I'm doing
lovely.
that.
Next one. Did something this month that you have been wanting to do for a long time.
Mm, I think I just walked into a Ajmal perfume store where non-alcoholic perfumes were there, and I applied it everywhere and just. I mean, I just tried. I didn't buy. But
Okay, lovely. Okay, the last one. Took ownership or responsibility for your mistakes.
yes, 100%.
Lovely, lovely.
100%. I always
Okay,
take.
awesome.
I always take ownership, and I'm the first one to admit, yeah, okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, love it, love it. Thank you so much. And that brings me to the end of my questions and all the questions to whatever I had for you. आपके कोई questions हैं और
I
तो
am sorry, I don't have this rapid this thing, but yes, I can ask you one-liners. You can talk to me. You can tell me what do you think love is.
acceptance. I think love is acceptance. मतलब कुछ चीजें ना पसंद होते हुए भी किसी और को अपना लेना. I think that's the definition of love for me.
Yes, you're right. Okay, envy, envy. How do you define envy?
I don't know about others, but for me, envy is when I know that someone who's not as good as me is doing better than me. मेरे लिए वो envy है.
Okay, beauty. What do you think is beauty?
I think confidence. When you're
Perfect.
confident about yourself, तो वो सम, फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप फिजिकली कैसे दिखते हो.
Beautiful. I mean, this is definitely the best pageant answer I can think of. What is beauty? Okay, so how do you visualize yourself in next maybe 10 years?
Next 10 years, I would say, since I have 10 books already, I am visualizing and manifesting that by the next 10 years, I would have so many books written by me that I can create a library of my own books.
Oh wow, you'll create a library of your own books. Wow. Okay. How will you define publishing? How would you define publishing? In one line, if I can ask you, what is publishing thing? What is it?
I think it's more of a give and take.
Okay.
For me, publishing is a give and take where, the publisher is not going to easily say yes to you if they don't, see the benefit of publishing you or your book. तो मेरे लिए तो give and take है and it is very practical also. I don't mind it.
Okay.
उनको भी कुछ
Okay.
मिलना तो चाहिए.
Huh, of course. Okay, so one word definition about bragging yourself.
तुम नहीं
Do
करोगे
you
तो
do
कौन
you?
करेगा मतलब.
Cool. तो मतलब करना चाहिए. Okay, we
बिल्कुल
must
करना
show
चाहिए.
off. We must show off. We must do some stunts to attract people. अभी ये बॉलीवुड
Yes.
वाले तो यही करते हैं ना. पूरे टाइम स्टंट ही तो
हाँ.
करते रहते हैं.
और
तो हम भी कर सकते हैं.
I totally believe in that saying कि जब तुम अपने आप से प्यार नहीं करोगे तो कोई और तुमसे क्यों करेगा.
Exactly. So
तो
one
बिल्कुल.
word definition. Okay, one word definition of God.
Oh God, I think it's belief. Belief, more than anything else, I think it's the belief that there is a higher power out there who's controlling everything. It doesn't matter which religion, which God, which deity you are believing in it, but there is a higher power out there.
Define colleagues, working place wale colleagues.
वर्किंग प्लेस वाले कलीग्स केयरफुल, मतलब फिल्टर हमेशा ऑन फॉर एवरीथिंग.
Are colleagues friends? Can they be categorized as friends?
No, no, no.
So
Not the
so
people
my next
who are.
question.
हाँ.
Yeah, so my question, who are friends? What is a friend?
A friend is somebody who knows you in and out. और कलीग्स को वो तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं पता है. They don't know certain aspects about your life. They never will and they never should. क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता वो कहाँ नेगेटिवली यूज हो सकता है. So you have to be very
Exactly.
careful.
Very careful. Okay, another word, mother-in-law.
मदर इन लॉ, इट्स लाइक अ सेकंड मदर. इट्स कंप्लीटली, मतलब तुम्हें किस टाइप के मदर इन लॉ मिल रहे हैं एंड हाउ यू आर विथ हर, व्हाट योर इक्वेशन इज, इस पे डिपेंड करता है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ सेकंड मदर. इफ इट्स द राइट पर्सन, इट्स डेफिनेटली अ सेकंड मदर.
Expectations from your husband.
मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या उसके मेरे से. बिकॉज
अभी
मैं
तो
तो
अभी
अपने एक्सपेक्टेशन मैं अपने
लाद
गिव अप
दिया
कर चुकी हूँ.
लाद दिया है पूरा. So what should a married woman, young married woman, should have expectations? What kind of expectations should a woman have from her husband?
आई थिंक इक्वालिटी मोर देन एनीथिंग. मतलब अगर एक रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन करना है, देयर शुड बी एन इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ एवरीथिंग, नॉट जस्ट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बट एवरीथिंग. कौन किसकी फैमिली के साथ जाएगा, कितना टाइम किसके साथ स्पेंड करना है, तुम घर के अंदर कौन सा काम कौन करेगा, कब करेगा, अगर एक अवेलेबल नहीं है तो दूसरा कर लेगा. दैट काइंड ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
That's the basic SOP of a happy married life.
और वो
Okay,
थोड़ा
so
बहुत हमने तो क्रैक कर दिया है.
हाँ, नहीं, and that brings me also to the end of my questions. If the audience have any questions, we can answer them, or else we
Yeah,
can
I'm just
wind it
going
up.
to scroll up and read out any comments or questions that we have received. Nilsi is saying when you got it, flaunt it. I think she's talking about the bragging one. हाँ तो करना ही चाहिए बिल्कुल.
Absolutely, totally, I like it. करना चाहिए.
Yeah,
और बहुत, बल्कि एक चीज और मैं पूछना चाहूंगी यहाँ पर आपसे. Bitching. What do you define bitching and what do you think about bitching? I will tell you my take on it.
हाँ, bitching तो हेल्थ के लिए बहुत जरूरी है मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि अगर
Exactly.
मतलब कोई एक इंसान ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसके सामने आप भड़ास निकाल सको. किसी ने आपके साथ कुछ गलत किया है, किसी ने आपको गुस्सा दिलाया है, तो वो आपका एक साउंडिंग वॉल होना चाहिए कि ये मैं भड़ास कहाँ निकालूं, आई नीड टू वेंट आउट. तो वो बहुत जरूरी है.
So that is why I want to say, don't listen to the motivational speakers so much that you become a saint and you lose the art of bitching. Bitching is a very important art, and please do the bitching whenever you want. Do it.
यस. एंड हमेशा जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको जिस पे गुस्सा आ रहा है उसको आप बोल सको. अगर आपके बॉस पे आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है तो आप नहीं बता सकते ना, तो
आप
कहीं तो
नहीं
निकालना
बोलोगे,
पड़ेगा वो
कहीं तो
भड़ास.
निकालना ही है. हाँ, बस. So karo. So good. So here we are. Now we can, I think, wind it up. I
Yes,
think
yes.
we had almost quite a good 1 hour plus session, and I really
Yes.
enjoyed Manali as much as
Same
I
here.
enjoyed reading your book. You're a fantastic personality.
Thank
You
you.
are a beautiful writer. You're a beautiful soul,
Thank
and I have learned a lot from you about showing gratitude towards, or and rather expressing my gratitude. You asked me questions and I definitely answered you honestly. I've not done this to the objects and all, but I'm gonna do that. That is one thing which I have learned. I will definitely start doing this.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being on the show. And this is a standard question I ask, especially to those guests who I enjoyed conversing with. So I'm going to ask you, when are you bringing out the next book so I can invite you again?
I'll go back and I'll just, I'm a little out of my orbits. So see, again, here I would say, there are so many responsibilities we human beings have to have. So once you are doing something else, you're giving your 100% there. So
Yeah.
I want to just come back and then I will do that. आराम से I will do. मुझे जीतने की अब होड़ नहीं है, मुझे अब नाम कमाने की होड़ नहीं है, मुझे ये है कि अब मुझे आराम से करना है. वो अभी मेरा फेज, आई थिंक मे बी आई हैव लिव दैट फेज and I am
Hmm.
on the other side of the mountain now. I just want to enjoy the journey right now.
Yes. And I think that will bring out the best also from you. अगर आप force करके करोगे तो वो दिखेगा. So I think
हाँ,
you should take your time
yeah,
and you should be comfortable enough and inspired
yeah,
enough to create your next
I will be.
work.
I will be doing
And
that.
I look
And
forward to
when
it. And
and when are you getting your new book, next book?
I am currently working on two things. So I am hoping at least one of them will simplify and come out this year itself. So big things.
No, we'll again collaborate and I'll do lots
Definitely.
of
So
other
I
things.
I look
Meanwhile, I'll do a stand up
forward
for
to.
your clock.
Yes, please do. And I look forward to that. And
I
I look
will.
forward to hosting also you again.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
thank you so
yeah.
much. Thank you so much. And I wish
Thank
you a
you,
happy,
Manali.
safe, safe travels back
Thank
home. Bye.
thank you. Bye, bye, bye,
Bye.
bye, bye, bye. Thanks.